बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप व्यूअर्स? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। हमारी आज की वीडियो है वैष्णवी धनराज के हवाले से। वैष्णवी धनराज इज़ born on 25th August 1988 is an Indian television and film actress best known for playing Inspector Tasha in Sony Entertainment Television CID. She was the protagonist in P.K. Lili, a salesman, an adult Hindi film in the sex comedy genre in which she played the role of a rich girl called Mary Marlowe. She has also acted as Nirbhaya in Satyagara on Aaj Tak, Janvi in Na Ana Is Des Lado, Maya Thakur in Begusarayi, and Mahi Arora in Colors TV Bepana. Born Vaishnavi Boyar, 25th August 1988, Nagpur, Maharashtra, India. Occupation actress, model. Years active 2007 to 2023. Known for CID, Nana Is Des Lado or Navragi Ray. Height 5 foot 4 inch 1.63 meter. Spouse में Nitin Sarawat. Married 2012, divorced 2016. Parent में Dhanraj Boyar. Father, relatives में Shantanu Boyar, brother. Early life. Vaishnavi was born in Nagpur and did her schooling from Blind Relief Association Mandal High School. After she graduated from Shivaj Science College, her family shifted to Kalyan in 2008. Vaishnavi's parents encouraged her artistic inclination and assorted her to her initial auditions. She was known as Vaishnavi Boyar during her student years. Career. Vaishnavi started her acting career in 2007 with a cameo in Kasoti Zindagi Ke. Taking note of her work in his show, the production house offered her the parallel lead in Karam Apna Apna in the same year. After acting in these two shows with the name Vaishnavi Boyar, she replaced her surname with her father's first name Dhanraj due to numerological reasons. In June 2009, Vaishnavi joined CID as a gun-toting detective named Inspector Tasha. For this show, Vaishnavi refused stunt doubles and performed all her stunts herself. CID launched her stardom and she became widely popular as Tasha. She was last seen CID in episode 678 as her character Tasha was murdered on duty. Before acting as Tasha, she also acted in Natyala in episode 538 of CID. Her festive performance in CID was instrumental in her winning the main protagonist role in Na Ana Is Des Lado when the show took a time leap of 18 years. In December 2010, Vaishnavi played the character of Janvi, a feminist who fights for women's empowerment in rural India. In early 2012, Vaishnavi contemplated leaving Na Ana Is Des Lado and rejoining CID as she was dissatisfied with her role, but the issue was settled amicably, and she continues being a part of Lado until it ended in July 2012. Na Ana Is Des Lado was based in the issue of female foeticide. After a brief hiatus following her marriage, Vaishnavi returned to television with Parvarish Kuch Khatte Kuch Meete on Sony TV in May 2013. She played the character of Meera Mathur, an immaculate and tranquil businesswoman who was quite different from her previous roles. The show ended in August 2013, following which Vaishnavi was offered in the main antagonist role in Colors TV Madhubala Ek Ishq Ek Janoon. Her dramatic entry scene in the show featured a stunt sequence in which Vaishnavi walked over a tightrope strung over a busy Mumbai street. She played Riya Jaiswal, Devika, a self-obsessed struggling Bollywood actress. Shortly after her entry, the show took a time leap of few years, as a result of which Vaishnavi decided to quit the show in January 2014. In 2015, she gained popularity from playing Maya Mithlish Thakur in Begusarayi TV series. Within a week of her exciting Madhubala Ek Ishq Ek Janoon, Vaishnavi signed up for Star Plus Epic Mahabharat, her first television show in the mythological genre. Initially apprehensive but about playing the mythical character of Hidibba, she took up the challenge and pulled off a critically acclaimed performance. This character required Vaishnavi to play a double role of an ugly demons and stunning enchantress. She later said in an interview that the heavy makeup required for Demon's look took over 7 hours to apply, and that the witty costumes made his shooting schedule one of her most unusual assignments ever. Her stardom and popularity were furthered through this role. In March 2014, Vaishnavi was approached by Indian news channel Aaj Tak to portray Nirbha in the channel's new social awareness series Satyagara 2014. Aaj Tak managing editor Supriya Prasad said that their motive was to create a pioneering show on television and to trigger social change by bringing back Mahatma Gandhi values of non-violence and the pursuit of truth. Directed by Sunil Manchanda, this series appealed to the nation's conscience. Vaishnavi later said that this role was the most challenging and humbling experience of her career. Over the years, Vaishnavi has also acted in episodic shows including Kitchen Champion 4, India's Got Talent, Crime Patrol, Humne Li Hai Shapat, and Fear Files. She was last seen playing the role of Mahi Arora in Colors TV Bepana. Personal life. On 23rd December 2012, Vaishnavi married Indian actor and model Nitin Sahrawat after a year of courtship. The two first met on the set of Nitin's show Kitni Mohabbat Hai Season 2. The ceremony was conducted in Shanti Kunj, Haridwar, according to Vedic rituals. The wedding reception in Mumbai was attended by Vaishnavi's friends and co-actors from her shows including Meghna Malik, Kirtika Kamra, then Anand Shetty, Rishikesh Pandey, and Simran Kaur. For their honeymoon, the couple packed across Western Ghats and stayed in a rustic hut on the Konkan coast for 12 days. The wedding was included in the list of biggest celebrity wedding of the year by the media. In March 2014, NDTV launched a new channel, NDTV Prime. Nitin and Vaishnavi were the guests for the launch episode of NDTV Prime, The Gateway, in which the two were given a Hyundai Elantra, which they then drove down to Kamshet. The theme of this episode being adventure, the couple then paraglided off the challenging Shilar site. This episode was shot at their Lokhandewala complex home and also featured their pet Labrador retriever Thor. Sahrawat and Dhanraj filed for legal separation in July 2015 and were divorced in January 2016, opting for mutual and amicably divorce in Bandra Family Court. Emotional disconnect was cited as the reason for parting. In December 2016, a Bollywood gossip website alleged that Marshall abuse was the reason for the divorce. Other work. In 2011, Dhanraj wrote several blogs for the Times of India as a part of the publication series of celebrity blogs. मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको आज की हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। मजीद वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना मत भूलें। दुआओं में हमें याद रखें। आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।